morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning! Good morning, everyone. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons. This is one of them, Angelo. And CB2 is incapacitated at the moment. Today, we got a special job. We have a clogged toilet. We love clogged toilets, don't we? Do you know how to use a toilet auger?
No.
Alright. Today's going to be a good day in the plumbing world. We'll see you when we get there. Anything?
No. Not actually.
Let's go do this. It's always the ladies' room. Can you reach over that and open that, Joker? You got long arms, boy. Oh yeah. What I'm going to do here is this. Since it's not backed up all the way, we're going to throw some paper in it to make sure it's blocked out, which I'm sure it is. Glove up, BSI, body substance isolation, fire department terminology. Let's see what happens. Just flush water. Next, I can test the toilet, make sure it's backed up or even cleared. Yeah. There it is. See how it's not really flushing? Oh, there, that's a good sign. It's a good sign they need us. Now look at me here. Auger. Here's how you use an auger. Pull all the way up. Put the plastic all the way in the horn. And keep it like that, okay?
Yeah.
And you hold it, and you keep turning it. Now you're lefty, I know that. And you gotta go around the trap. But keep that plastic down so you don't scratch the toilet. And something's catching it already. Go ahead, here we go. Keep working. You're a lefty.
Yeah.
This is good. Now that whole handle's gotta go down.
Uh-huh.
Work it. Push it down the plastic thing so your glove doesn't get caught. You keep. You'll try to get a trap in there. You gotta push the portion to go around it.
I don't think I got it around.
You can. Try to pull it out a little bit. Now, start over. There you go. You gotta push it. Try going the other way too.
Oh, you want us to go just one way?
You go both ways. Whatever way makes it easy, make that bend. There you go. Keep working. See now that, keep going. Don't pull it out yet. Keep going. You're all the way through. You're into the sewer pipe now, just so you know. So now what you want to do is just work it back and forth, and then pull it out so you can catch anything. You can reverse it. Alright. Load up the toilet paper. Stand it right in the corner. Ball of paper. Three big doo-doos. Let her rip. Flush it one more time. Alright, getting 3 balls of paper. I'm gonna get the screwdriver. Do it again, I'll be right back.
That's the pressure, right?
Yep. Let's see what happens now.
What is it? Twist it right to make it more pressure?
Yeah, that's the actual on-off valve for the flushometer right here. Try it now. Give me 3 more balls of paper and give it a go.
Yeah.
Put your auger together. Put all in the hand.
What do you want it all the way down?
Yeah. Point the handle.
So what? Oh,
Yeah, we're good.
uh,
In the bag. Now we don't make a mess going out. Hold on. Did we get her done?
yes. And we clean up. What do you want to clean up?
No, you're gonna clean up. You're doing a mighty fine job. Good job. You're a good worker. Go ahead. Open for business. Much better. Oh gosh, we can go all the way. Did we get her done?
Did we get it done?
We got her done. That was an easy toilet clear. I would have rather seen some nugs of gold, aka turds, in there for you. See if you could handle it.
Of course I can handle it.
Alright, what we got?
We got Friday, CB on vacation.
We got a lot going on, boys and girls. With that, we will see you at the next one.